Well, we're just about to take off on a British Airways trip. Here we are at London Heathrow, and we're going to Krakow in Poland. And I will talk about the onboard changes. Now, the BA lounges in Terminal 5 are open, but it's not a free-for-all help yourself. You go to your chair, go on a website, select the menu items, and you'll have silver service basically that is brought to you. There's plenty of water to take away, but you can't go to a bar, or you can't go to the buffet area because it's closed. It's purely silver service. Apart from that, I found that the lounge in British Airways Terminal 5 was okay. Okay, now we're on the flight. Okay, now, normal club kitchen on board. Before COVID, you used to get a menu handed out. You used to get drinks from the bar, and I always used to choose champagne, which is actually poured into a glass. And you had a choice of food. This is a breakfast going out to Krakow, for example. And this one here is a lunch coming back from Rome. Now, of course, after COVID, all that's finished. They come around with a hand sanitizer. You still have champagne, but it is in bottles, but that's not a problem. Everyone's wearing a face mask. You get a packed meal, which is basically a cold meal. It comes in a sealed box. And you have a homemade or handmade sandwich. This was a tikka chicken salad. You also get a salad and a sweet. Now we're just landing, and hopefully that is that. Look at that lovely landing into a nice sunny afternoon in Krakow. Okay, I'll leave it there.